Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix SimpliSafe app not working, login issues, connection errors, and update fix. Fix 1. Trouble logging in or oops, something went wrong error. This error typically occurs when your mobile browser is blocking the cookies that SimpliSafe uses to save your login session. So for iOS or Safari, open Settings, then go to Safari and toggle Block All Cookies to Off. Or for Android, Chrome, open Settings, then go to Site Settings. In it, go to Third Party Cookies and ensure they are allowed. You should also confirm that on-device site data is turned on in your browser. Then force close and restart the SimpliSafe mobile app. Step 2. Device connection problem or unexpected error. This means your phone can't reach your base station. Check the Wi-Fi. Ensure your base station is connected to your local network via the app settings. If you use a VPN or firewall on your phone, disable it temporarily. For cellular backup check. A base station uses backup cellular networks if the Wi-Fi drops, but this requires an active Pro interactive monitoring plan. If you have one, try toggling your phone's Wi-Fi off and on, or temporarily disabling Wi-Fi to force a connection to the network. Step 3. Connection errors for specific cameras. If your video doorbell or security cameras are offline, perform a manual reset of the specific camera. Power cycle your camera by unplugging it or removing its battery, then waiting for a few moments and reinserting it. Then begin the Wi-Fi setup process again in the app support section. Step 4. General app glitches, freezing, not updating. First, reinstall the app. For general freezing, missing push notifications, or unexpected glitches, delete and reinstall the SimpliSafe mobile app to clear the cache. Next, check for outages. Sometimes the system is simply down. Users across platforms like Reddit have noted that occasional server outages require a brief waiting period for automatic resolution. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.